G'day everybody, my name's Greg and welcome to another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. Today's episode is going to be looking at Mother's Day presents. So I sat down with my two granddaughters and said, girls, next week is Mother's Day. What would you like me to print for you to give to your mother for Mother's Day? And the two girls searched the internet and they come up with 5 prints that they wanted me to print. So these are the 5 prints very shortly that my two granddaughters wanted me to print, and just as usual I'll have the links to these in the description, and at the end of this video we'll have the models up close so you can see them a lot closer. Now the first one that we selected was the Happy Mother's Day box. Now this was printed on the Anycubic Cobra 3, noting because it does have the AMS with it. You don't really need the AMS as the box prints out by itself in red, and the top layer that inserts in the box can be done on the AIMS or can be done with a pause and then change colour to the white. I actually quite like this, nice easy print, and I think the mother will actually like this one as well. The next one is once again printed on the Anycubic, because the AIMS is just a Happy Mother's Day card. Now, nice short print, only took a little bit while to print. I'm going to put magnets in the back so that this will end up being a fridge magnet Mother's Day gift for her. And the girls like this one as well. Okay. The next one is one that the eldest one picked out. This was printed out on the Illigu Neptune 4 Max printer, printed out separately and then glued together. And this obviously symbolises the mother and the two children that she's colouring there, right there. Basically, this is a nice, cute print. Actually, really do like that one. The next one they printed, I think, like all kids will do. Best mum ever. Okay. This is also again printed on the Illigu, and I think that she'll really like this print. She can display this on her office desk at work and say that she is the best mum because her kids did tell her that one. And the last one, which I actually think is a cute one, is the little elephant with the 2 baby elephants. Okay, now I did print this on the Anycubic as well, printed this in one colour, and then I just coloured the eyes and eyebrows in to make it really good. Now, sorry, there was one more print that I actually done. This was one the girls didn't know about. This is a little Mother's Day card that I printed for them. Okay, as you can see there, it just goes through. I know the eldest granddaughter can be really annoying sometimes. Just go, mummy, 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 until the mum goes, what? And then she go, Happy Mother's Day, and give that to the card. Now this knife, this was printed on the Anycubic because of the AMS. I'm going to get the two granddaughters to scribble on one side, one the other one with a white crayon, and scribble on there so they can actually then give this to the mother as a Happy Mother's Day card. Okay, that's it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the video, and directly after this you'll see some close-ups of the videos. Until the next episode, hooroo. Actually, there is one more thing that we wanted to do before we end this video. What was that, girls?
Oh! We love Mummy!
Okay, that's all for me. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Stay tuned for the close-ups, and I'll see you next time. Hooroo.